Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar, and first of all we have to enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. On the second position in the list we've got the timer, and after tapping you can see that we've got 4 different options from which we can choose, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me set maybe 10 seconds delay. As you can see, after tapping, your device will immediately notify you right here that you've got the timer set. So let's go back. Unfortunately, it is not notified here in the camera, so you will have to guess whether you've got the timer set or not. And all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, of course this is the way to set the timer to 3 or 5 seconds delay, and you can also turn it off right here. Just tap on the off option. Whoa. Just tap on the off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any countdown. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.